Hello and welcome to Let's Learn Together. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Postman. So you can do it two ways. Could do Control to open. You need to open your terminal. Control T. Okay. Now you need to type sudo apt install Postman, and okay, it doesn't know what Postman is, so we need to do sudo apt upgrade first. Actually. Upgrade, update. Now, okay, now I'm gonna do sudo apt install Postman again. Now I'm gonna do sudo apt sudo snap install Postman. Okay, now it's installing Postman. Postman is for ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is when you do hacking, but it's not illegal hacking, it's for testing. In one of my videos, I will show you about, I'll show you about Linode and beef, because those are the two things that we'll be needing in that video. Now let's type Postman and see if it runs. Okay, I don't think it's gonna. Okay, Postman is opening. Let's just create an account. We're not actually going to use it, we're just creating an account to see what's inside of it, because it looks kind of interesting. Okay. You can create an account with Google, but okay, let's see what's inside of this Postman. Oh, sure, I don't know what happened to Postman. Okay, there it is. Okay. Let's just make up a name. I'm gonna call myself VBot. What role do we want to be? Chief. Let's just say IT. Okay, import API. Use API based URL. Actually, maybe not. Import one. Okay. So this is Postman. We're not actually using it, we're just creating an account because it looks kind of interesting. I might show you a bit about Postman in some of my other videos. Thank you for watching, and that's all for today in this Let's Learn Together video. Please enjoy. Check out my other videos. Check out my Twitter, Lincoln, Discord, and do chat on the Discord group.